So if we move on to mitigations, again, really straightforward, using what we've already built up to then produce a suggested list of mitigations for the threats that were identified during the initial threat modeling process. And if we went back and checked the example video from the first round, you'd see that the first one related to spoofing and phishing. And again, that's where taking that JSON object, taking the threat information out of it, and then bringing it back in this phase and putting it into that prompt, it allows for that consistency. And that's something that, particularly since November last year, this has worked, a lot better than previously. It's really helped to cut down on the variability.
Yeah, and then you can see how this can then be taken into other tools, right, or other systems, and you can feed in, and that's why there's an interesting element here of you could also start to feed in your own IDs, right? Imagine you already had these mappings internally. You can say, if it's one of these, use this particular ID, use this particular stuff. So then your graph starts to work internally, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Very cool.